Hi everyone, my name is YLRibas. I am presenting the open systems theory. In this presentation, there is a summary of the theory, a graphic representation, the theory's relevance, impact, criticism, and its application to improve educational organizations. Open systems theory refers to dynamic systems that interact with and adapt to their environment through a feedback loop in order to survive. These dynamic systems have input and output flows representing exchanges of energy, information, matter, and/or people with its surroundings. The theory can be applied in natural sciences and social sciences. As you can see in this graphic, an open system has key components, namely inputs, throughput, outputs, and a feedback mechanism that make up a system of cycles of events. The goal is to achieve negative entropy, which is the natural process of disorganization. There's a boundary separating the system and the environment that allows for interactions between the two. There are four contributors to open systems theory highlighted here. Bertalanffy outlined general systems theory to explain all systems in all fields of science. Katz and Kahn applied the open systems model to analyze organizational behavior in the process of transforming human and physical resources into services and goods, which are then returned to the environment. Buckley applied general systems theory to sociology by synthesizing the concepts of system and related sociology concepts such as self-regulation and self-organization to define complex adaptive systems. Weiner's seminal text on cybernetics contributed to the feedback component of the open systems theory. Descriptive aspects of open systems theory are listed in the left column. I'd like to highlight that open systems theory considers individuals and groups as open systems with increasing levels of complexity. The theory also focuses on the means used to emphasize long-term goals and ensure organizational survival. Points of relevance and impact of the theory are listed on the right. I'd like to highlight that organizations with flexible and permeable boundaries allow the flow of information, cultural values, and conditions that can lead to organizational learning and growth. An important implication of the theory is that it offers multidisciplinary perspectives on how to analyze and improve educational organizations. The theory allows for cross-system collaboration that can help address and mitigate challenges in education. Criticism of open systems theory includes a lack of an equity framework and acknowledgement of power dynamics within and between systems. There is a need to move beyond structural functionalism and to deeply engage with critically oriented perspectives on organizations, measures and analysis of organizational effectiveness, and other related topics. Another point of criticism is that the theory requires a comprehensive process of monitoring and responding timely to environmental variations that could be difficult and costly for organizations such as public schools in under-resourced communities. In summation, open systems theory, as applied to educational organizations, has strengths in understanding structural functions, but also weaknesses in a lack of a critical epistemological orientation that is necessary for ensuring equitable outcomes, particularly in under-resourced communities.